enze iwili ashiyele iy'ngane zakhe imali namafa ney'moto nemizi nayo yonke into, ashiye indodla akashiye indodla mese engalishiyeli lutho ibandla. Hayi-ke akushutha awusekhona kwami. Ngizwakalile kodwa la ngithi mina umuntu enza iwili ashiyele umyeni wami ngizomshiyela iy'moto eziwu-5, iy'ngane zami ngizoshiyela umuzi, lezi ezinye ngizoshiyela 2 million afe. uJesu engamshiyelanga ivele le ka2 million ithi inhla 2 million. Vele uma usefile usuke ungasashonanga-ke lapho, usuke ungasenanhlonipho, sekuthiwa usefile vele loyo. Lalelani-ke, after tears meqeda ungcwatsho sobadedela abazalwane bahamba bese siyasala sikhiphe, bathenge utshwala ngemali yakho, bathenge yonke into, kube ikajekeni house, kwehle kwenu kudliwe imali yakho okholwayo. Hayi bazalwane, ibandla silishiyelani lona? Uthi uma ngifa ubana akathathe lokho kodwa ngicela u-50,000 wami kwi-pension yami uhambe uye ebandleni, uJesu atholi hawu bazalwane.
Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sala. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course to make sure that you share this video, guys. This certain female pastor and preacher has been trending on TikTok for a statement she did preaching to her congregations, you guys. Now in the viral video, she is heard emotionally blackmailing her church members into coughing out money to her and her church, you guys. Now she compares herself to Jesus Christ, basically saying that a person will draft a will which include his or her family, leaving them with money and of course houses and properties. However, they fail to leave a church even a mere 50,000, she says. Now she tells them that they need to do what's best for the church by at least leaving her or the church or any of their preachers something, you guys, because those people you decide to leave your inheritance to will eventually be misusing your money. She says that by leaving at least the congregation or the church something, you doing something good, and God will indeed in turn recognize you back, you guys. Now she says, why not use the money usefully by coughing it to the church and the preacher, you guys, by plowing your seed, you guys. Now this statement has had a lot of people on social media fuming, stating that this is definitely one of those preachers with who uses and manipulates their congregations. Anyways, you guys, what are your thoughts? Please do engage them with me in the comment section, and of course don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so, and also make sure that you share this video so that you do not miss out whenever I try to upload a new video. Thank you so much for actually clicking and deciding on watching this one. I'll see you in the next video. Bye and God bless.